Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time where you see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, I'm gonna start the morning show. So William Gallas will be one of the football pundits out there going to talk about what in the sea for this season. Because it talks to all signs, symbols, indices, everything, all roads lead to an Arsenal winning the Premier League title. Because we're about to talk about the injury to Rodri, how that one self take give and say, okay, this is going to be the year. She be me say by the talker before say that Rodri injury, it just cements my belief. Say, it is now or never. Like they don't they somewhat weaker. Like Man City are weaker and exposed when they play without Rodri, unlike before. So when you look at the report from Cut Offside, they say, look at the headline, they say all the signs show William Gallas has a say on three-way Arsenal, Liverpool, and Man City title race. Now, they say William Gallas believes Arsenal are favourites at the moment to lift the Premier League title. The Gunners have finished second to Manchester City in each of the last two seasons and are without a top flight title since 2003-2004 Invisibles campaign. However, Mikel Arteta's men have made an unbeaten start to the new campaign after 7 games, sitting just 1 point adrift of league leaders who be Liverpool. So they say among the Arsenal standout results are beating North London and noisy neighbours that will knock them. Moving on, Babaka does say Arsenal have shown a lot this season. Say alongside Rodri, we say don't get injury from Manchester City and all the signs. Now you can conclude say say Rodri injury now one of the signs. Say now all the whole signs don't show say now Arsenal time be this. Although you can say Liverpool will also be in the mix. Which there was not yesterday, I believe, first why they talk say we need to pay attention to this Liverpool because we just they ignore them, but now we need to pay attention to them. Say it will be between these 3 clubs, that's Man City, Arsenal, Liverpool. But I do think that Arsenal will win the title this season, having come close in the last 2 years. Now, Bukayo Saka is one player that has shown his confidence in the way they play for Arsenal, and the key is avoid drawing games. But Babaka the talk say if they had won that game, like the match we play against Brighton, so we win them. By now we'll go there for the top, and that one's not true. But I also now remember the circumstances where lead us to draw. I think that was the match Rice collected red card. We collected red card for that match, you get. So that one of the circumstances really lead us to draw that match. But we'll not get cry over spilled milk. And we are happy with where we are. We are Man City will be the main people they look at. We they equal on points, and the season is still long, you get. So let's just move on and see what other things this season has in store for us. Now, away from that, so Fabrizio Romano can give us another update about Lee Castley, will be one the interim manager of England. Now, this man, he don't really get confidence in himself because he not even the fights for the England job. So Babaka the talk say the person will be say go lead England, the next England manager, so no be somebody like him. Say because the person guys be somebody will be world class coach. We don't win trophies before. Say, hey, me want go back to under 21. You get so now what's in the talk. And this guy, I think in 4 games, he don't play, he do well in 3, they beat him for 1. In fact, Trent Alexander-Arnold been player of the match 3 times under this man. So I don't know why he no believe in himself. He won't go under 21. Well, Chibu will hear yesterday say England they discussed with Thomas Tuchel. So that one self did. So we'll just leave everything and see how it will be. Whoever becomes the next manager has a lot of strong decisions to make. Now, based on yesterday, why I give an analogy on Vivian Miedema. Say Vivian Miedema leave Arsenal, go join Manchester City because she don't tire. Say she never win anything for a long time. So I want to give examples. Say the likes of Saliba, Saka, Odegaard. If time they go and they know they win anything, they don't want to hear I'm proud of the boys. If they know they win anything, they might want to leave. And when that does happen, would you really blame them? Some people for the comment section, I saw a lot of comments. Some say that analogy no work well. Say the reason we make Miedema leave, no be because of title, say that because of she no agree, they offer him contract. No, Arsenal no offer him contract. That's why she leave as a free agent. I just saw those and I laugh. I don't want comments because I say today's show in the morning, I will actually display some of the web pages, some of the information in my purview. All you have to do is just a simple Google search and you verify all these things before you try to come and counter what's I talk. May not say I put in some research. Now, Eurosports, Vivian Miedema joins Manchester City on a free transfer after leaving Arsenal. Now, when you read the entirety of this report, you see where, because I told you this lady, now be like the highest goal scorer in the WSL. They say the 27-year-old made 172 appearances in all competitions for Arsenal, scoring 125 goals and providing 50 assists. Now she leaves Arsenal after she can get some few injuries. Now, not be here, I want really show now. See the major cocoa. After she signed, she did an interview. They asked her why you swap Arsenal for Man City. This was her exact words. The reason I chose Man City is because they have the same ambition as me. They want to win the league and titles, Miedema said. Looking to the future, I've always said I want to play with the best players in the world, and I think Manchester City have got that. I haven't played as much football as I would have wished over the past 2 years, blah, 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 blah. Now, so she did talk plenty. But you don't know, so what thing they tell you, is they accurate. The last time we Miedema win the league with Arsenal was 2018-2019 season. After that 2018-2019 season, 5 seasons don't pass now. Chelsea win the whole 5. That's why when I made the statement yesterday, I said Chelsea is doing to WSL what Man City is doing to the EPL. Man City not be 4 times back to back, they don't win now. Chelsea don't win now 5 back to back. 5 times. And you know, say women, they are moved by their emotions. They don't use logic like men. So woman don't go really date that lawyer. She don't date there 5 times. You can't be like say, I don't know what they do. In fact, Goal.com even put out a report, revealed how Vivian Miedema fell out in love with Arsenal, and before the shock exits, her relationship with the manager was tense. When you read the fantastic reports from Goal.com, you can just Google the story. They out there in the public domain. Part of this same story, this video they there. I don't know if you close the video. This video now, Vivian Miedema and the coach Jonas Eidevall, they were quarreling. If you play the video, you go see where Vivian Miedema will wear shirts, like say he won't come play match. The coach now say, go and sit down. Go and sit down there. She no agree. Coach come push her for shoulder. Say, go and sit down. She spark. Come meet her. Say, what you worry? Why you touch me? All those kind. Women, they're emotional. So from that time, don't say her mind don't come out for Arsenal. That's why it was easy for her. For those who they say Arsenal offer and contract, Baba, you did there. No be Van Persie come outside which they talk say the narrative out there is that Arsenal offered him a contract and refused to sign and went to join Manchester United. When they debunk and say anybody will prove, say Arsenal offer and contract, he will give that person 1 million. Anybody come outside? Don't be everything when they hear for the public domain, rumors. Yes, now come outside say the offer and contract in no sign. So it's not really about contracts. It is because she felt the club is not moving in the right direction. I make her even bust her brain. I can't go check where Man City did for table. According to this WSL, Man City are first, Chelsea are second. Although they don't play one more game than Chelsea because Chelsea are the team to beat. They are the Man City of the WSL. Now, when you look at Man City's last 5 games, green, they didn't knock anybody. Look at one big team where they beat there. They beat Barcelona. This Barcelona, they're the Ballon d'Or winner of female football day. Aitana Bonmati. She there for Baka. Man City still knock them. For you to know, say when Miedema the talk say, I want to play where they are world-class stars. She knows what she's saying. Arsenal the language for 6th for that WSL. So when I put out some reports like this, Baba, before you try to say that lie, CHUKS is not true, please bring your facts, or do research. I just say make I use this money, just educate some people on that story. So I think it's clear now, I'm gonna move to the next story. Now, away from that, so Alan Shearer may have told Arsenal to make Bukayo Saka injury decision ahead of Bournemouth. Now, what is Alan Shearer saying? So Shearer they talk say make them play Saka, like make them play him steady, because they say former Premier League striker Alan Shearer has praised Saka's talent and resilience, which perhaps tells Arsenal that he must try, tells Arteta that he must try to play the Gunners number 7 at any cost. Like just the player. Say this guy, they recover from anything. In fact, speaking to Betfair, Shearer said, Bukayo Saka is absolutely sensational in everything he does. He gets whacked every single game. People try to double up on him, kick him, and he just goes out and performs with such consistency. He's an incredible talent, has a great personality, just like his attitude is second to none. Think of the way he responded to what happened to him in England, with England in 2021, and the way he has moved on from it. He's just a phenomenal talent. He's so gutsy, tough as well. I've been there where everybody's trying to mark you out of the game and it's tough. You can bet your bottom dollar that Bukayo Saka is the talk of the opposition dressing room before games. Many have tried, but not many have stopped him. It's just incredible, almost impossible to stop, and such a wonderful talent. This is absolutely the truth. Because every game, two people now they mark Saka. In fact, I can't go back, they watch some kind of Chelsea games. When was the last time you saw two people marking Kopama? Like, think about it. When was the last time? Yeah. But Saka, week in, week out, normal level. When was the last time you saw two people marking Phil Foden? Like, all this comparison. Now, they know they compare Saka to Phil Foden. Now, na Palmer. Now, na Palmer. But it is what it is. Unaoga again. Saka don't they perform for many years. So I don't think anybody should be bringing up these comparisons again. Now, on a troubling note, we can't hear say Martinelli don't get injured for international duty. Say to the level we say the Brazilian FA can't go do MRI scan. But they know what's happened because they say Martinelli they complain of pain. So I think it was Give Me Sports. I put out this report. They say Arsenal star undergoes scan after complaining of pain. So they say Arsenal star Gabriel Martinelli underwent an MRI scan last night, like yesterday night, after complaining of pain in his right calf while on international duty to Brazil. Sky Sports revealed. Now Martinelli's return to the Brazilian squad. See, nobody they even post this story. Even Charles Watts, as Charles Watts just posted, I say, I'm more confirming too. Charles Watts say updates overnight from the CBF on Gabriel Martinelli, who is said to be struggling with a calf issue and has had an MRI scan while on international duty. They say Martinelli complained of pain in the right calf and went to MRI. See, as it stands like this now, they say the athletes, that's Martinelli, continues to undergo physiotherapy treatments under the care of the Brazilian national team medical department. We don't recall. I'm not just understand. We don't recall Bukayo Saka. Now, from the look of things, we might recall Martinelli to come back. We could assess him. Or now, if you say don't do the MRI scan, we go await the results. Now, whether the results will enter the public domain, I don't know. Like Bukayo Saka until today, I don't think there's anybody that has actually heard to see the result. To see what's inside, we are kept in the dark, which for good reasons anyway. Because I think that we like make our oppositions know waiting happen to Saka, how long he will they out and all whatnot. So I just wish all these guys quick recovery. All the guys is out. Saka possibility is out. Martinelli, come on. What's happen now? I beg go. So we'll just see how they navigate all these things. Now, Inter Milan star, when they reveal how he claimed he came close to joining Arsenal. So now Piotr Zielinski. So they say this guy very interested in not just Arsenal, say Liverpool self-define him. So they say Inter Milan, Zielinski has revealed that he could have joined Arsenal and several clubs if Napoli had agreed to sell him. So this guy even talk say he even enter plane, like he go visit what do you call him, Jurgen Klopp. When you got clubs, they say Liverpool sent a private plane for me. I flew with my agents. We drove to Jurgen Klopp's house. We watched football on his Giants TV. At the end of the day, Napoli no gree sell. Say the guy Arsenal self reason am. At the end of the day, Napoli no gree sell. Say now when in contract, because he went to Inter Milan as a free agent. So now when in contract can like expire, he can go as a free agent. Say if they say Napoli no, at least therefore actually sell him, but then use and raise some revenue. Say Napoli no believe say Ingo won't leave. That was the issue. Say no believe say in get future ambition, say Ingo like to leave them. So well, wish him all the best of luck as in there for that place in there. So my dear Arsenal lovers, if you're enjoying the show, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow our community, our channel, and to do so. God bless you guys. All right, so the biggest news of the day. Now, the fact say William Gallas, will be one of the football pundits out there. About the talk say all the signs are showing that Arsenal are favorites to actually win the Premier League. Say because the two even make and Shola say confirm say now the injury Rodri go collect. So now let them say, oh more, this is the time. And remember, say I've been talking before, say that Rodri injury, just give me that confidence. Oh more now or never. If you know if it happen now, oh more when it won't happen again. So that one just give me that confidence, get and we'll just watch how the season they go. Liverpool they for first, and the guy say between Liverpool, Man City, and Arsenal, say now Arsenal get the edge, but some will still they pay attention to Liverpool because they are here to stay in this title race. So more just watch out. So my dear Arsenal lovers, I think this is a fine place for us to call the show an end. So till I come your way in the evening. Till then, thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day. That came out. All right, guys. Bye bye.